Straddle that pole.
Okay.
Okay. Okay? Okay.
This is Sierra's little dance. Doodle dance. Doodle up. You don't get this much muscle just eating veggies, dude. Last sunset in Mexico. Oh gosh.
Okay, next. There it is. There's the dance. Whoa. She's like the ringleader.
Whoa.
I see him in the cockpit over there.
Semen in the cockpit?
Uh-oh. Hey, Tay, say something really smart.
Sailing vessel Calico Skies. Delos. Oh my god, that made me so nervous. Also wanted to do well, okay, next one.
Delos, Calico Skies 16.
I always wanted to. Jesus, wait a second. What am I gonna say? Switch up to 69.
I've got a fish! I've got a fishy!
I don't know if that's an edible fish.
If you could nudge your throttle down a little bit when Brian's not looking, I'd really appreciate that.
Did JaeCee teach you pull-ups?
Give you some foot fetish photos in there for some weirdos.
You guys are a team. Oh, okay, that's a good workout for today.
Well, I won last night, so I won 3 times in a row.
Cut.
Fierce cut. And then I finally gave Brian a win, just so that his ego would be
I took that win, and your streak is broken. Cribbage Queen.
Nugget!